Hi everyone, welcome to ecomback.com. Today we're going to guide you that how you can update the content management system or CMS pages in your Magento 2. So it's very easy. You just scroll down the page and look for content and you will see pages, blogs and widgets. It depends upon how your developer coded your website, but most of the information, if you want to update any blog or widget or page, you get it from here. So if you click on pages, you will see the most pages are here, okay, like shipping and policy. For example, you click on shipping and policy, select, edit, okay, so click on content. You can see all the content there. You can see the editor over here, so you can style that and all the information is here. If you have any SEO text, you can obviously add the meta title, description and stuff over here, and that's it. You can save the page and you just come back to the previous page automatically. And if you want to update any blogs, you can click on blogs, and for example, if it's like copyright blog, you can simply click edit and you will see, okay, so you can change the blocks here, information here. And same with widgets. If your developer set up any widget over here, for example the CMS static blocks or any kind of information, so you can basically click on the information and you will see you can select block layout and different options. Okay, right now we have like featured banner block of home page. So that's how you can basically change the things on the home page. Hopefully this video will help you. If you have any question, please feel free to email us at sales@ecomback.com. Thank you.